So you might be in a situation where for some reason your sound quality on Spotify is really, really bad and you're trying to figure out why that's the case. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The number one thing I'd recommend doing in this particular situation is to just go through and make sure that the sound that you're streaming from on your Spotify application, if you're streaming from it on a pair of headphones or from your speaker, you might want to make sure your speaker isn't messed up or that your Bluetooth headphones, your headphones that you have plugged in, that those aren't muffled. Sometimes that can be the easiest way to go and fix it. So mess around with that, see if that ends up kind of fixing it for you. Now, if that doesn't end up doing it, the next thing I recommend doing here is to actually go through and try to see if you can change out your sound settings inside of your particular Spotify application. So what I'd recommend doing here is clicking in the top left corner of your Spotify application when you're in this page. So tap right into there, and I'll go and zoom in for a little bit, and then you're going to come into this page. What you're going to want to do here is you want to go ahead and click on Settings and Privacy. So tap right into Settings and Privacy, and then what you want to do is tap on Audio Quality. So tap right into Audio Quality, and then this next page is going to come up. All you're going to want to do here is you want to go ahead and basically change your particular streaming, your Wi-Fi streaming, audio quality streaming, from low to high. So make sure this is set on high, and same thing with here, you can set it to very high as well if you have Spotify Premium. Same thing with cellular streaming, make sure this is set to high or very high, because if it's set to high or very high, then that's going to change how your songs are played, and that's going to make it sound way better in this particular situation. So those are kind of the main ways to go and do this. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.